Hello and good day, engineers. I am Engineer John Fernand Racelis and I will be discussing the calculator techniques for differential calculus. Particularly, the first topic is limits. What is a limit? So let us first define what is a limit. A limit is a fundamental concept that describes the behavior of a function as its input approaches a certain value. So let's have the different examples of limits. Question number 1. So in this question, we are asked to find the limit of the given equation below. As the limit approaches x to 0, the function that we need to solve is e raised to x minus 1 all over x. So in our calculator, sorry, di pa pala nakaklear yung calculator ko. So we need to set the calculator to shift, mode, and regions. Also, you are in mode 1 computation. Okay, so set the calculator in mode 1 and in mode of regions. So nakaset up dapat naka-regions ha, dahil we are dealing with trigonometric functions. So first, we need to input the equation which is e alpha e raised to x minus 1 all over x. Press calc, so we need to approximate the value of x. So, as x approaches to 0, try mo, 0. Sige, kunyari di mo alam kung ano dapat ang limit. Kung 0 na sakto ba or what. So, 0. Pag prines mo ang 0, it will display a math error. Bakit? Dahil ang a function all over 0 is undefined. As you know the concept of mathematics, di ba? A number divided by 0 will be undefined. Or an equation that is divided by 0 is undefined. So, paano po yan? For the limits, recall mo yung function, then press calc again, you need to approximate the value of 0, yung pinakamalapit sa 0. So, you can approximate it by 0 plus 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Okay. So, ang sagot ay isang fractional form. So, to have this in a decimal format, press mo lang yung SD. So, ang sagot is 1.00005. Ayun yung sagot. Approximately equal to 1 yung limits niya. So to check, you can also have the negative side ng 0, which is 0 minus 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Okay, ang sagot ay 0.999995, which is also approximately equal to 1. Okay, so the limit of this function is 1, letter C. Yun lang, easy, easy, engineers. Okay. Let us have the second question. So for the second question also, we are asked to evaluate the limits. So this time, the limit approaches infinity, in which the function is sine x all over x raised to 2. Okay, since ang limit is positive infinity, infinity pala rather, walang sign. So infinity is a big number, so it can be equal to 99999 or 9999 or 999. Ayan. Big numbers na po yan. So, you can use this as your limit. Okay. Since walang symbol si infinity, hindi siya positive infinity, hindi rin siya negative infinity. So, you will use both the limits for positive infinity and negative infinity. So, ito, pag positive infinity, 9999. And pag negative infinity naman, edi gawin mo lang negative na malaking number, 9999 or 999. Kung anong gusto mo. Yan naman ay iisa ang lalabas na sagot. Okay. In our calculator, so we need to press AC para maklear yung ating function. Then type the equation sine x all over x squared. Okay, press calc. And then approximate the value of infinity, which is 9999. Sa positive infinity muna, then mamaya i-approximate natin yung ating limit sa negative infinity. Okay, so positive infinity muna. Okay, ang sagot ay 6.36 times 10 raised to negative 9, which is approximately equal to 0. 0 ay nasa choices. Okay, i-check natin yung negative infinity. So for the negative infinity, negative 9999. Ayan, I'm using again the calc function here. So press equals. Okay, ang sagot naman ay negative 6.36 times 10 raised to negative 9. So ano po ibig sabihin nito? It is also approximately equal to 0. Napakaliit na value nito. Diba? So for this question, the answer is letter A, 0. Very nice, engineers. Very, very nice. Okay, for question number 3, let's have the given equation wherein the limit approaches to 2 positive. So, meron na pong symbol yung ating 2. Ang ating namang i-compute na limits ng function is x squared plus 2x plus 4 all over x minus 2. So, kapag ganyan, may limits na, diba? 2 positive. Tapos, pwede din siyang 2 negative. At pwede rin siyang 2 lang. Kapag 2 lang, i-approximate mo pareha sa positive and sa negative. Pero since hindi siya 2 lang, siya is 2 positive. So, kung 2 positive, mag-approximate ka ng value na lalagyan mo ng plus. Okay? So, 2 plus 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Yan ang limit kapag 2 positive. Kapag naman other numbers, let's say 3, edi lalagyan mo lang din ng plus 1 times 10 to the negative 5 para ma-approximate mo yung value ng 2. Okay, kapag naman 2 negative, 2 negative 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Yan, dapat minus dahil 2 negative siya. Okay, yan yung value na i-approximate mo sa 2 negative. At sabi ko nga kanina, kapag 2 lang, yung walang sign, parehas mong gagamitin yung limit na ito. So in this case, we need to use this limit. Okay? So in our calculator, so let's enter the function x squared. Wait lang, i-clear muna natin. X squared plus 2x plus 4 all over x minus 2. Press calc again. We will use the calc function. Since sabi 2 positive, 2 plus 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Press equals. Ang sagot is a big number, which is 1200006. Okay. Ang ibig sabihin po nito kapag malaking number na, it is approaching positive infinity. What about 2 negative? So kung 2 negative naman, okay, i-approximate ulit natin yung value. Sabi ko nga kanina, siya is naka-minus 2 minus 1 times 10 raised to negative 5. Ang sagot naman is a big negative number. Kung big negative number naman siya is negative infinity. And if the limit has no symbol, hindi siya positive, hindi rin siya negative, so you will use both limits na 2 plus 1 times 10 to the negative 5 and 2 minus 1 times 10 to the negative 5. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, kapag 2 lang yung limits, the limit does not exist. Bakit? Magkaiba siya eh. Ang limit niya is positive infinity and negative infinity. So, the limit does not exist kapag ang limit mo ay 2 lang. Since 2 positive tayo, ang limit natin is malaking positive number, which is letter B, the infinity. Okay, very, very easy, engineers. Thank you. So, kung may questions kayo, you can email me at engineersgene@gmail.com. And of course, you can message me on my Facebook page. Ayan, nandyan na po yung link. Thank you for watching and see you on the next calculator technique video.